Cementos?
Your weakness is so obvious.
Yeah, bro.
Shaking your boots.
I actually thought I would have caught him though.
No sweat. Everyone's in the same area. Explode. I'll overwhelm you. Not even tactics. Quit messing around.
Dead ass, bro. Go away.
Wide open. Shaking your boots. Wait for fireworks.
Fall over. Just try and line him up.
You're just starting. Your weakness is so obvious.
Right, Cementos is up.
Got it.
Didn't even get a card. Didn't even. I shouldn't have even come back here. It was not worth it at all. Our deku, who's brand new, took like 2 of them. That's also why I'm going to be using some yellow cards in situations, because 10% damage reduction over level 1. Who doesn't know what he's doing? I take a 10% damage reduction, no offense. In a ranked game, yeah, 100%. Not like I care about this shit anyway. My KD's already fucked. But I'd like to win. And I like to 1v3. I love that bug. It's a bug. Still don't know.
Shaking your boots.
Damn. Mine beat yours. Oh, no, it didn't.
Your weak.
Okay, now mine beats yours.
No sweat. Everyone's in the same area.
Fuck off, Toga.
Go to hell. You're wide open.
Don't even know where that alpha one went. I'm not gonna wake up on that.
I'll surpass all my.
I ain't got enough blues to run with that for a bit. Oh, my team's finally here. To die, I guess.
Not bad.
Mirio's got an old build on, but still good.
Not bad.
They're not even on the same team? Fucking with me.
Shaking your boots.
I mean, I know you're not fucking with me because that's always happens.
I'll surpass all the.
But you're fucking with me.
Fireworks. You're too weak. Explode. We're just starting.
Holy bro, missed his ult. Dude, how many fucking team heals have you got, bro? Hang on, let me just... Could be this one. Fuck off, Toga, you're not a threat. Okay, no, he's not got anyone like that. I was expecting him to have... motherfucking tune in. Nejire, but he doesn't even have Nejire, he's just getting healed.
Your weakness is so obvious.
Oh, I got healed.
You're wide open.
Are you serious?
Shaking your boots. Your weakness is so obvious. Shaking your boots.
Wow, I'm missing everything by like a fucking
Wide open.
piece dick off of it.
You're too weak.
Oh man.
Come on, keep up. Pain in the ass.
There's no way she's on that team. Is there?
Not everyone's in the same area. Break the fireworks. Got it. I'll overwhelm you. Shaking your boots.
Pro.
Pain. I'll surpass all might. Go to hell.
I give up with you, bro. You're pissing me off. Fucking Echo. Of course, she would be on the Shiggy's team that she just ran into as well. I mean, yep. Sorry, bless me. Love that.
Come on, keep up. You're wide open.
Can't hit fucking shots on a down guy. Let's just kill him. Die. Never mind. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. Excuse me.
Just getting started. Distance doesn't matter. I'll overwhelm you.
1 damage. 1 damage. You cannot be serious, bro.
Distance doesn't matter. Just getting started. Distance doesn't matter. Can't you see who you're fighting? Just start. I'll surpass all. Dare take me lightly. Go to hell.
Still do that, bro. What if you can counter my beta explosions? Oh, where are you going? Stopped hearing him permeate too. He might have went back up. He might have permeated back to his teammate. Woo! I'd rather be up here. That's a yellow Shiggy. I gotta be careful of these fuckers, bro. Yep, that is why. Yep, that hitbox is why. Damn, that would have been beautiful if I caught your ass. Roll. Yep. God, bro. Excuse me? What the fuck, bro? Pick that shit up. That's Mental's just finishing someone. No, I can't stop it, they're inside. Actually baited at me? Excuse me? Oh, that's why he wasn't fucking coming out. That's why he didn't get no iframes. Fall over. Fall over. Damn. Alright, bro. I give up. I give up. I actually just got kind of fucking... I just lost so much aura. No way, and he gets a rebound. Bro. Whoa, who are you hitting me for? Why are you hitting me for? I really just got fucking... I just lost so much fucking aura from that Mino? From that fucking Amajiki, bro. Or Tamaki, whatever people call him. Fuck. Whoa. Damn. Trying to get used to that. That's actually a pretty good combo. People waking up with that a lot. Damn, I'm bad though. Damn. Are you serious? He's not even there? Can I get a team meal in for my million? Okay, bye. I thought it was weird that he was pausing.
Dare take me lightly. Come on, keep up. I've got you now.
Are you serious? I mean, okay, I'll take that, but I felt like my shit should have landed anyway. No. I didn't say you could live. Oh my god. I didn't say you could live, bro. I got double kill for that. You're dead as well. Holy shit. It's kind of cooking, bro. That's 12. I don't think I can get you, but yeah. Bro. I'm just gonna play this safe. He tried stopping me. I might as well play it safe so let's get 1v3'd by Cementos, which would have been hilarious. But also no good for me. Honestly, Cementos is very hard to fight. Damn, I actually thought that would have landed. I don't know why I started wall climbing there. That's like the worst movement I've ever done. He's just locked in there. Cementos might die to his own. Ain't no way, bro. Surely he realizes he has to get out of his zone, right? Yeah, no. What was that, 13? Damn, my teammates did nothing. No offense, guys. Damn. I did not think I played well there. I think I picked it up a little bit at the end. But most of that game was kind of ass, I can't lie.